Good afternoon, everybody. Got a pretty nice day to work out here, but don't have too much time to work it. But I hiked in a couple 2x6x10s. I'm gonna get working on these gable end overhangs. And what I landed on is taking 2x6 blocks, getting them on my rafter that's cut to 69 degrees for 812 pitch or so, and pinning it up there for the overhang. And I think I'm gonna be pretty happy just evenly spacing those blockings down there. It already feels pretty sturdy, so if I add 3 more, one in the center, 2 feet out from there on both sides, I think we'll have a pretty good look. See ya. Hell yeah, dude. That about does it for all these rafters. I blocked this guy just so it kind of looked like the other one, but remember my top plate extended through, so it's a rafter just like anything else, although not supported from the bottom, so extra sturdy. Feels good, it looks good. Got some excess wood sticking out here and there to chop off, but I think this means I can do all of the roof decking. This tarp calms down. You can see I had a little bit of a go at this side. I laid those right next to each other, which I'm realizing is not great, but I'll run one all the way across the top to the very end and stagger them a bit, and it should look good. I've just got to go around and plumb cut all the ends of the rafters, just this last one on this side, every one on this side, and the next focus is all just getting these heavy ass roof decking boards up on top here. I think with some measurements, pulling the little guys up, it shouldn't be quite so bad, so I'm excited for that. And can't really see from here, but I still have a massive pile of wood that is nice and weathered and rained on and all sorts of shit now that I need to drag in. So lots of grunt work, finish out the evening, and maybe I'll measure out and cut these guys just to get one section, one side of the roof done. It's feeling good though. Thing got pretty dang sturdy putting some sheathing on. Yeah, we're happy. It's looking good. Yes, sir.